Hello everyone, and thank you for being here. Today, we're diving into the technical and strategic world of high-performance lithium iron phosphate, or LiFePO4, battery solutions. As we look at the evolving landscape of modern power requirements, it's clear that these technologies are not just simple upgrades. They are the essential tools empowering next-generation energy storage, providing the reliability and efficiency required for the most demanding applications in our current market. When we analyze the global energy sector, we see an urgent and growing demand for efficient energy storage that traditional systems simply cannot satisfy. We are witnessing a massive market evolution, fundamentally transitioning away from legacy battery technologies toward more resilient chemistries. This is where LiFePO4 comes in as a superior solution designed for diverse, high-stakes applications. By focusing on this technology, we're making a calculated, strategic investment in powering the sustainable and robust systems that will define our industrial infrastructure for years to come. To fully understand the value proposition, we need to get into the technical foundation. Let's look at the science behind the LiFePO4 technology itself. This isn't just another battery, it's the bedrock of truly reliable power. By examining the structural and chemical advantages of this specific build, we can see why it has become the gold standard for clients who cannot afford any downtime or system failures in their energy-critical operations. Let's break down the core chemistry. These units utilize lithium iron phosphate, which provides two key advantages that we value most: high energy density and inherent safety. The operational principle is based on highly efficient lithium-ion movement, making it a superior rechargeable system. Because of this chemical stability, we've seen widespread industry adoption. It's being recognized and applied across multiple sectors, from heavy industry to telecommunications, because it delivers consistent power without the volatility associated with other lithium-ion variants commonly found on the market. The data on performance and reliability is where this technology really differentiates itself. We're looking at exceptional durability, boasting an impressive 6,000 deep discharge cycles. This longevity is paired with enhanced safety, as the inherently stable chemistry significantly minimizes operational risks compared to traditional lithium. Furthermore, its thermal resilience allows for high heat resistance in challenging environments. With low internal resistance, you get sustained power and efficient energy output. There are absolutely no memory effects, ensuring consistent charge and discharge cycles every time. Every unit uses Grade A rechargeable cells to guarantee optimal function and long-term return on investment. Looking at the technical build, we utilize the E280K cell model. This is a 3.2-volt, 280 ampere-hour LiFePO4 configuration. We use only Grade A, brand new aluminum shell construction for maximum purity and structural durability. The rated capacity provides a robust 280 ampere-hours of nominal capacity. The voltage profile is set at 3.2 volts nominal, with a precise 3.65 volt charge cutoff. To protect the cell's integrity, we've established a safe discharge cutoff at 2.5 volts. All this power is packed into a compact footprint of 173.7 by 72 by 204.6 millimeters. Now, let's talk performance metrics. The internal resistance is ultra-low, measured at less than or equal to 0.5 milliohms, which is critical for peak efficiency and heat management. Regarding charge and discharge rates, we recommend a constant 0.5 C, though the cells have a maximum capability of 2 C for higher demand scenarios. The design is also highly practical and robust, featuring MSIX screw sizes to ensure secure and stable connections in any rack or enclosure. Despite this power, we've optimized the weight to approximately 5.42 kilograms, plus or minus 0.3 kilograms, which allows for much easier portability and installation. Environmental adaptability is another core strength of this build. For charging parameters, the system operates efficiently across a temperature range from 0 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. When it comes to discharge resilience, these cells perform reliably from -20 degrees Celsius all the way up to 65 degrees Celsius. This broad operational flexibility ensures system longevity, meaning your infrastructure remains protected and functional even under varied or extreme climate conditions. We've engineered these specifically to handle the real-world environments our global clients face every day. One of the biggest advantages for managers is the seamless integration across existing systems. These cells are fully compatible with 12-volt, 24-volt, and 48-volt systems. For high-power industrial needs, they easily scale to support 72-volt, 96-volt, and 108-volt setups. While the primary use case is often solar energy storage systems, the inherent scalability is the real winner here. You can easily bundle these in configurations of 4, 8, 16, or 32 cells as your specific energy requirements grow over time. It's a modular approach that scales perfectly with your business. As we wrap up this technical overview, let's focus on broadening our horizons. We aren't just looking at battery specifications, we're looking at the strategic value these applications bring to your long-term operations. By choosing LiFePO4, you're positioning your projects at the forefront of the global energy transition. This ensures that your power infrastructure is as forward-thinking and resilient as the rest of your business strategy, providing a clear path towards sustainable and efficient growth. When we analyze how these solutions power diverse lifestyles and industries, the versatility is truly impressive. In recreational mobility, our technology is essential for RVs, campers, and yacht travel, ensuring comfort and utility even when you are far from the grid. For electric vehicles, it provides critical power solutions for EVs and electric forklifts alike. In the realm of outdoor adventures, we provide the reliable power needed for demanding off-grid camping requirements. Specialty transport also benefits significantly, as we efficiently power golf carts and various utility vehicles. Finally, from a renewable integration standpoint, this technology serves as a core component for advanced solar battery systems, bridging the gap between energy generation and long-term storage. Moving into the strategic value for clients and managers, let's look at the hard data. As a long-term investment, these units offer 6,000 cycles, which significantly reduces replacement costs over the total life cycle. We see improved operational efficiency because low internal resistance minimizes energy loss and maximizes overall power output. From a risk management perspective, enhanced safety features mitigate potential hazards, ensuring business continuity and strict regulatory compliance. The versatile deployment capability means a single battery solution can meet multiple application needs across your entire fleet. Furthermore, it is a sustainable choice that actively supports your green energy initiatives and corporate ESG goals. Ultimately, our performance guarantee, backed by Grade A quality, ensures minimal downtime and the high reliability your operations demand. Are you ready to elevate your energy infrastructure today? We have an exclusive offer available right now to help you discover the best deals currently on the market for your specific requirements. For direct access to these products, you can find all the official links in the description below. This represents a seamless upgrade path, allowing you to embrace a simple, reliable, and powerful battery solution with minimal friction or downtime. It's time to invest smart and strategically. Secure your energy future by leveraging the proven performance and longevity of lithium iron phosphate, known as LiFePO4 technology. By making this transition today, you are positioning your organization and your operations for long-term stability and maximum efficiency.